Hello, welcome. I'm Darcy from Lumos Learning, and in this video I will be sharing some useful tools and information to help you improve your reading and vocabulary skills. The story I have chosen for this demonstration is suitable for students in the 6th grade. Let me just open the story on the Lumos Learning website. By the way, you can find the link to the page in the description. This famous story is called The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn by Mark Twain. I wanted to go and look at a place right about the middle of the island that I'd found when I was exploring. So we started and soon got to it because the island was only 3 miles long and 1/4 of a mile wide. This place was a tolerable, long, steep hill or ridge about 40 foot high. We had a rough time getting to the top. The sides were so steep and the bushes so thick. We tramped and climbed all around it and by found a good big cavern in the rock, most up to the top on the side towards Illinois. The cavern was as big as 2 or 3 rooms bunched together, and Jim could stand up straight in it. It was cool in there. Jim was for putting our traps in there right away, but I said we didn't want to be climbing up and down there all the time. So as you can see while I'm reading, certain words are underlined here, and that's another cool thing that Lumos Learning offers. If you click on this word like tolerable, the meaning pops up. Able to be endured. Now, if you want to explore a word further, you can simply click on it on the right side menu. Let's try cavern. This opens a fun and easy tool called FlashCube that helps you fully explore a word. Let's take a look. Here you can see the definition, a cave or a chamber in a cave, typically a large one. Hear the pronunciation,
cavern.
See the part of speech that it is, a noun. See it as an example, the dark cavern off the main performance hall. Plus, you can add it to my word list by simply creating an account. Just follow the instructions on the screen. I'd also like you to use this View Passage button in order to see the word that you just learned right here in the passage. Jim said if we had the canoe hid in a good place and had all the traps in the cavern, we would rush there if anybody was to come to the island, and they would never find us without dogs. Last but not least, I want to show you how you can actually add a photo to the word so that it's easier when you want to revisit it. You can also add notes and save the photo so it's always there. As you can see, it's fun, super easy, and a wonderful way to learn new words, and there are thousands of resources available on the platform. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the link in the description and read Mark Twain's The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn and become a fluent reader. I'll be back soon with another story or passage. Stay tuned.